Hey everyone, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add customer reviews to your Wix website quickly, easily, and with a few smart tips along the way. If you want to showcase your satisfied customers and really build trust with new visitors, reviews and testimonials are absolutely the way to go. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get those reviews up and make your Wix site look more professional and inviting. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Wix website. Open up your editor and make sure you're on the page where you want your reviews to appear. I find that putting testimonials near your product page or home page works best, but really it's up to you and what you think your visitors will notice most. Once you're in, take a moment to look around. This is your creative canvas. Next, you'll need to add a section. Look for the option that says Add Section, usually on the left side of the editor. Clicking this lets you carve out a dedicated spot just for your reviews. Think of sections like rooms in a house. Each one serves a purpose and keeps things organized. If your site feels crowded, don't worry, Wix lets you drag and drop, so you can always move things around later. Now it's time to bring in the elements. Hit the Add Elements button and you'll see all sorts of options, from text boxes to images and more. Today we're going to focus on the strip element. Strips are great because they act like big horizontal blocks, making your testimonials stand out with plenty of space and style. Select Strip and Wix will add this to your section. Once you've got your strip in place, you'll notice there's an option called Testimonial. Click on that and up pops a variety of testimonial templates. Wix does a fantastic job curating these designs so you don't have to start from scratch. Scroll through the templates and pick one that matches your brand's vibe. Don't rush this step. The right template can really bring your reviews to life and create an emotional connection, like seeing a friendly smile at a coffee shop. After you've selected the testimonial template, click to add it right into your new section. You'll see it appear instantly. Now it's time for the fun part, customization. Just click on the image or the name in the testimonial and you'll have the option to change both. Drop in a photo of the reviewer if you have one. Real faces help build trust. Otherwise, you can use a placeholder or icon. And for the name, make sure it matches your customer. Authenticity matters and your site visitors will notice those little details. Next, you'll want to add their personal details. These could be a job title, city, or a snippet about which service or product they tried. Details like these turn a generic review into a relatable story. Just click to edit each field and type in what you want. If you ever feel unsure, just remember you can always preview your changes before publishing. Take your time here because personal touches make a big impact, and that's pretty much it. Edit everything to your liking, make sure it looks balanced, and you're all set. Adding reviews on Wix really is that simple, but if you spend just a few extra minutes tightening up those details, you'll send a powerful message that you care about your customers and your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing for more quick and easy Wix guides. If you have any questions or if you want to share how reviews have helped your site, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.